This is the Monteverde First Step fountain pen. Pen comes in a cardboard sleeve box. It has the lunar phases of the moon. This pen is to commemorate the 50-year anniversary of the lunar landing on the moon. On the top of the box lid is the Monteverde USA logo. This box lid lifts off, and included with the pen is a special edition model of First Step Monteverde ink. There's information about the pen, the warranty, and of course we have the Monteverde First Step fountain pen. This pen has a black resin cap with a silver colored clip. On the barrel of the pen, it is a clear resin that actually is painted. What they'll do is they'll paint this pen from the inside out, so it's all hand painted artwork on each pen. Each pen will be unique. It's a limited edition with only 888 pens made, and then on the bottom of the pen is a silver ring with a black resin cap at the end. On the back of the cap, it is engraved with Monteverde limited edition First Step. The cap is threaded and will unscrew. It will also post on the pen. This artwork won't get damaged because it's all inside the pen. So it's a lunar landscape. It has a footprint, a limb on the moon, an astronaut with a flag, and you can see Earth there in the background through space. Stainless steel Monteverde nib. It has a black resin section that unscrews, and included with the pen is a ink converter. It is a cartridge converter pen. It uses standard international converters or cartridges. So you can see the inside of the barrel here. You can actually see the painting on the inside. So the artist would actually have to reach down through this and paint the inside of that barrel by hand. It's just amazing that the artwork that would have went into creating the pen. Great idea, great design. Get your Monteverde First Step fountain pen at penchalet.com.